And with the near record breaking lows we saw last night exiting the region, parts of mid-Missouri saw some fog. ABC 17 Storm Track meteorologist Chance Gotch is breaking down what happens when you combine freezing temperatures with fog in tonight's ABC 17 Storm Track Insider at 6.
Yeah, Jessica, I am currently live out here at Stevens Lake Park, and this time of the year we typically see more fog in mid-Missouri. That's due to the changing temperatures associated with the seasons. Now, what happens when you mix that fog with below freezing temperatures? Earlier this morning, freezing fog could be seen making its way over the Lake of the Ozarks. But what exactly leads to this creation? Now, steam fog typically occurs as you have a cooler air mass passing over a warmer body of water. Now, what that leads to then is going to be evaporation, so you're going to have more moisture in the environment, and it's actually going to be warming the environment just above that water in the air. Now, when this starts to happen, you're going to see a lot of that become steam fog, so it's going to look like steam rising back from the water, and this morning, with the air temperatures back into the upper teens and lower 20s, it's actually going to create freezing fog, which can become potentially dangerous on roadways or elevated surfaces, as it could create black ice. Now, we're not going to be forecasting any of that freezing fog anytime soon. Temperatures are going to continue to rise, just like Jessica said, as we head off to the second half of the week, but it can prove pretty deadly for driving conditions. Now, just last year, the Missouri State Highway Patrol said there were 1,135 crashes with 19 fatalities across the state alone caused by fog. Now, they also reported 5,281 crashes caused by freezing conditions, with 41 of those being fatal. Now, when you mix that freezing fog back with those driving conditions, especially elevated surfaces, it can prove very dangerous and also prove very deadly because it can make black ice. So if you're going to be driving out and about, especially around areas with water, especially during this winter, it's going to be a good idea to take your necessary precautions, travel the speed limit, and make sure you're very aware. Reporting live from Stevens Lake Park, I'm ABC 17 Storm Track meteorologist Chance Gotch.